Guys, I'm Randy. This is Show Me Tint. I'm going to show you what's cracking today at the shop. It is hot today. It's like 100 degrees. You know what I mean? So I got the guys some bro tanks or some chick tanks, whatever you like. They are pretty cute. Like, I think. What do you think? Tint shop. That's where you're at. Show Me Tint. That's the channel you're on. Check it out. Right? So this is one. This is two. This is the one I'm sporting right now. Check it out. So back in the day, we used to have, we made these because we didn't have air conditioning. So like we wore them because we were dying. But now we do it for fun. And this one I made for America's birthday. My dude hooked it up. DeVille Supply Co. He hooked it up. Look at that. Look at how sick that is. The wrinkles come out. But look at this. What? America! Tell me you don't love that. That's like a cheeseburger and a hot dog off a grill right there. That's America. That's just one thing we did. Oh, I made some new stickers too. You guys comment on here, I'll send you one of these. Or you come pick it up, I guess. Look, Show Me Tint YouTube. That's what you're at. That's what's happening. I love that. That's no big deal. Oh, my heart. My heart. Some of these guys. Look at this. Stop by the shop. Pick one up. Tell me you saw it on YouTube. I'll give it to you. We're doing this BMW. This is what is a 7 Series. We're doing paint protection, front clip. We call that full hood, full fenders, full bumper. V12, I've heard. That's a big old ride, baby. I love it. BMW knows how to do it. The interior is super nice. Jammed up. Yeah, it looks good. V12. That's how you know. That's cool. We got this Jeep all done. Customers here to pick it up. They're waiting right outside the door right now. TikTok, we're doing final checks. We're making sure all the lights, handles, everything works. We don't want any issues when the customer goes down the road. So the guys are finding that all out. They're checking it all right now. Matte apple, the satin matte apple. It's all done, baby. We got to tint the tail lights. He's going to pick it up here in just a little bit. We got to tint those tail lights in a minute. There's a video down below on how to do that. So make sure if you want to do your own tail lights, feel free to check out the link. You know what I mean? Give me a little comment on there if you try it and tell me you love it, at least. You know, since I'm saving you money by doing it yourself. Look. So his older brother has the Superman Corvette. So he went with the kryptonite green Camaro. So it's super fun. They're good. They're a good bunch of dudes. We did the auto flex and stuff on the mirrors and door handles and spoiler. Tied it all in with some black accents. Doing some ceramic coating on the wheels. Just to kind of tie it all in, man. Super fun. Trying to get all these projects out of here. We're super busy. We got a lot of work coming in, a lot of work going out. We got one I want to show you. You've seen, you might have seen it before if you've tuned in previously, but it's a full wrap we're doing down in the other shop. I got Ramon working on it. He's jamming it out. Good luck, guys. I hope it works out. Oh my gosh, heat, you could wear it around. Oh my golly. Good day to go to the lake, I think. Maybe have a bro tank. That'd be cool. We made it down the tint shop. That was a short walk. We actually did a lot in between there, though. You missed it. So I wanted to show you this real quick as it progresses. You might want to subscribe, like, check it out. But this is just the start. So this Quick Dry company's been really good to us. They're here local, and they've been having us wrap a bunch of vehicles. So this is the third one I think we've done. We've done some like big cargo vans, crazy, maybe another van or a truck, yeah, like, and now another truck. This is like a real high definition print that you can do if you have like a business you want to advertise, or you just want to get wild and put your buddy's stuff on here or put your own stuff on there. And we'll put some of the vehicles in the descriptions, the videos below, if you want to check it out, see what you can do for your business or for, you know, whatever you decide. Honestly, you can really do anything with digital print. But this is a super high quality digital print. And once we get it all done, you're going to see the finished product very shortly. We're cracking the whip on the guys. So they all want to go on a big float trip. That's what we should videotape. That'd be super fun. They'd have a good time. Yeah, we're just wrapped up early today. We got all the cars tinted in Springfield. I don't think there was any cars left. So we appreciate you guys checking it out. Thanks for checking out the channel. If you have any questions, comments, you know, make sure you check out that headline, taillight, how-to thing, and you know, look for those other videos on the digital print. And we got some cool projects coming up. We've got a bunch of cool wraps next week. We're popping off a pink Porsche, so it is going to be jamming. It's going to be lit. So check it out. All right, guys. Thank you. All right. Don't forget to subscribe. All right. Peace out.